First thing that you should do is download your admit card, the updated admit card, because the dates change by time. So you should have your updated admit card printout, colored printout with you. And suppose your examination is starting at 1000 hours, you should reach the center by 900 hours. 1 घंटा पहले आपको पहुंचना है, and you should check your roll number and the seat allotted to you outside the MMD examination hall or somewhere it is displayed that which seat number is allotted to you. You should check that seat number, and you should carry your passport and CDC with you, because they will check, they will cross check your name, your face, and they will match so that someone else is not sitting for you. So after that you enter the examination hall. By 9:30, 0930, you should be sitting in the examination hall, and half an hour is allotted for giving you the paper, answer sheet, not the question paper, but the answer sheet will be given to you. And over there you have to write your name, date, which examination you are appearing for, terrestrial, celestial, meteorology, or anything. And at each pages you have to write the date, which date is today. So there is a stamp on every page, and in that stamp you have to write the date, and at the last you have to write your roll number and signature. This is as per 2019-20 schedule, so it may change. So you should carry your passport and CDC, and then you should wait for the paper. Have your water bottle with you, क्योंकि आप बीच में उठेंगे तो अपना ही टाइम वेस्ट करेंगे. जब पेपर मिल जाता है, when you get the paper, first thing I will suggest that you should not read the whole paper. You should read at least the top 4 lines written in the question paper, that if variation is not given you can take this variation, if deviation is not given then you can just use this deviation card, speed of the vessel is not given then you can take the speed of the vessel like this. So these are the points, 4 points mentioned, especially in terrestrial and celestial navigation, that you should not miss, because if you read a question and उसमें speed of the vessel नहीं दिया हुआ है, then you wonder that speed of the vessel तो दिया नहीं हुआ, then what should you should take. So these are the points that are mentioned in the question paper in the top 4 lines. Height of eye is not given, then take height of eye is 15 meters or something. Anything else depends on the examiner, what he has said. So you should read those 4 lines. After that, you start your paper. When you start your papers, for example, if you have section A first and section B after that, you should not read each and every question, because in case अगर आपको कोई question difficult लगेगा और आपने शुरुआत में ही उसे पढ़ लिया, मुझे ऐसा लगता है then आपका confidence low हो जाएगा. So better एक क्वेश्चन आपने पढ़ा, उसका आंसर आप लिख दो. अगर ऑप्शनल है तो 2 क्वेश्चन या 3 क्वेश्चन एक साथ पढ़ो, फोल्ड कर दो आप उसको, एंड देन उसका आंसर आप लिखो. जब आप डिफिकल्ट वाले क्वेश्चन पे पहुंचोगे तब जाके हो सकता है आपका कॉन्फिडेंस हाई हो या लो हो, डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट सिचुएशन. लेकिन पहले से अपना कॉन्फिडेंस लो करना अच्छी बात नहीं है. सो यू शुड रीड ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन वन बाय वन एंड सॉल्व इट. 1 क्वेश्चन, रीड इट, सॉल्व इट. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, रीड इट, सॉल्व इट. इफ इट इज ऑप्शनल देन यू कैन टेक 2 क्वेश्चन एट अ टाइम, एंड देन यू कैन सेलेक्ट which question you are going to solve. Okay, whatever question you are solving, you should have a mark or a pencil or paper or scale over there that you are reading this question, because in celestial navigation or terrestrial navigation most of the questions are similar. On this date, section altitude was this one, height of eye was this one. So you should read, you should fold the paper. I'll say you can fold the paper and read only that question which you are solving, because if you are solving and again you are looking back to the question paper, it may happen that you will derive the data of the other question and write and mix the answers. So जो क्वेश्चन आप सॉल्व कर रहे हैं उसी क्वेश्चन को आप देखिए. Third thing is bring your watch, not digital watch, but simple watch you can always bring. You should not trust at the MMD watches. They are correct also, but you should be having at least 1-2 watches for reference. When you have only 15 minutes or 20 minutes and you are not knowing the answer of any question, rather than wasting time on that question only, you can revise whatever questions you have solved. So this may increase your passing percentage or passing probability. So these were the points: passport, CDC, admit card, and confidence.